So it did actually quite well in the world, the secure world, doing quite well, crafty world. The minor finance consists actually of three parts. One is a simulation game which really represents the real world. Then you have the part which is about international finance. And there's a finance business English course.
I like it a lot. It's really great. In Canada, when we do finance, it's all equations and calculations, and here you actually learn the practical things about finance and using it in your everyday life. It's really good.
It's very interactive, yeah, very broad actually. We get actually a project study and we also get case studies, so it's like really theory and practice combined, which I think is really good.
Now you ask yourself why costs are so high. How would you run a business in an international competitive market?
It's a great class. It's really cool when you do the simulation. You actually get to run your own business. How finance works internationally, exchange rates, currencies, banking systems from all over the world.
Normally when you're in school, you're just learning from books, theoretical knowledge, and it's nice to actually put that in practice with this minor.